Quiet moment. We enjoyed a quiet moment together. Honest opinion. I value your honest opinion. Lasting memory. It's a lasting memory of our trip. Sudden urge. I had a sudden urge to call you. Vivid imagination. She has a very vivid imagination. Final verdict. We're waiting for the final verdict. Genuine interest. He showed genuine interest in the project. Immediate attention. This matter requires your immediate attention. Wholehearted support. You have my wholehearted support. Unwavering commitment. She showed unwavering commitment to her goals. Informed decision. Make an informed decision before proceeding. Random chance. We met by random chance. Brief encounter. Our brief encounter was unforgettable. Conscious effort. It takes a conscious effort to change habits. Dramatic effect. The news had a dramatic effect on him. Eager anticipation. We waited in eager anticipation. Final attempt. This is my final attempt at the record. Gentle reminder. Consider this a gentle reminder. Happy coincidence. It was a happy coincidence to see you here. Immediate family. Only immediate family attended the wedding. Joyful celebration. It was a joyful celebration for everyone. Keen awareness. He has a keen awareness of his surroundings. Lasting impact. Her words had a lasting impact. Major obstacle. Funding is a major obstacle for the project. Natural ability. She has a natural ability for music. Outstanding performance. That was an outstanding performance. Positive feedback. We received positive feedback from the client. Quick response. Thank you for your quick response. Rapid increase. There's been a rapid increase in sales. Shared interest. We have a shared interest in photography. Timely manner. Please respond in a timely manner. Unexpected surprise. Your visit was an unexpected surprise. Valuable lesson. It was a valuable lesson in responsibility. Widespread belief. There's a widespread belief that it's true. Youthful energy. He brings youthful energy to the team. Absolute certainty. I know with absolute certainty. Burning desire. I have a burning desire to succeed. Casual conversation. During a casual conversation, I learned of his retirement. Deliberate attempt. It was a deliberate attempt to mislead. Enthusiastic response. We had an enthusiastic response from the audience. Frequent occurrence. Delays are a frequent occurrence at this airport. Glowing review. The play received a glowing review. Historical context. It's important to understand the historical context. Immediate impact. The policy had an immediate impact. Joyful experience. It was a joyful experience for all. Kind gesture. That was a kind gesture from her. Lasting relationship. They have a lasting relationship. Meaningful conversation. We had a meaningful conversation about life. Noticeable difference. There's a noticeable difference in quality. Overwhelming majority. The overwhelming majority agrees. Practical approach. Take a practical approach to the problem. Quick thinking. Your quick thinking saved the day. Remarkable skill. She has a remarkable skill in writing. Sudden realization. I had a sudden realization about the project. Unanimous decision. The committee reached a unanimous decision. Visible change. There's been a visible change in his attitude. Willing participant. She was a willing participant in the study. Youthful enthusiasm. His youthful enthusiasm is infectious. Active participation. Active participation is encouraged. Bitter disappointment. The news was a bitter disappointment. Complete understanding. I have complete understanding of the situation. Direct impact. The decision will have a direct impact on employees. Effortless grace. She moved with effortless grace. Vital role. Education plays a vital role in personal growth. Widespread belief. There's a widespread belief that the market will improve. Utmost importance. Safety is of utmost importance in this industry. Unwavering commitment. She has an unwavering commitment to her principles. Unseen danger. There are many unseen dangers in online transactions. Unquestioned authority. The director has unquestioned authority in the company. Unmatched quality. Their products have unmatched quality. Tangible benefits. The new policy has tangible benefits for employees. Sustainable development. The city is focusing on sustainable development. Surreal experience. Walking in the ancient city was a surreal experience. Supreme confidence. He has supreme confidence in his abilities. Subtle hint. She gave me a subtle hint about the surprise party. Striking difference. There's a striking difference between the two paintings. Strenuous activity. Avoid strenuous activity after surgery. Steep decline. There has been a steep decline in sales this quarter. Stark contrast. There is a stark contrast between rich and poor in the city. Sporadic outbreaks. There have been sporadic outbreaks of the disease. Spirited debate. The new policy sparked a spirited debate in the meeting. Soothing effect. The music has a soothing effect on my mood. Solid evidence. You need solid evidence to prove your case. Soaring temperatures. Soaring temperatures are expected this summer. Smiling face. It's always nice to see your smiling face. Slightest mistake. The slightest mistake could cost us the game. Sizable portion. A sizable portion of the budget was allocated to healthcare. Single. Minded focus. He approached the task with single-minded focus. Shrewd investor. He's known as a shrewd investor. Sheer size. The sheer size of the building is impressive. Shaky ground. Their argument is on shaky ground. Severe penalty. There's a severe penalty for late submissions. Serene atmosphere. The garden has a serene atmosphere. Sensible approach. Taking a break now is a sensible approach. Seamless integration. The software offers seamless integration with existing systems. Scorching heat. The scorching heat made it impossible to stay outside. Rousing speech. The leader gave a rousing speech to motivate the crowd. Rigid structure. The course has a rigid structure with no flexibility. Rightful owner. The property was returned to its rightful owner. Rich diversity. The city is known for its rich diversity.